Ẹ̀yin tèmi báwo ni o ṣe wà? Lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ṣe wà? Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Ìféolúwa. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ẹ̀kọ́ èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú Ìféolúwa. To my new subscribers, I want to appreciate you guys for subscribing. Thank you very much. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. Thank you for subscribing. I love you and there is nothing you can do about it. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about love. Love language in Yorùbá. Èdè ìfẹ́. Love language is èdè ìfẹ́ ní èdè Yorùbá. So just relax, sit and listen. We have 5 of them. Ìyẹn ni pé a ní èdè ìfẹ́ 5. So we'll be talking about them one after the other. So sit down and relax. Just relax and listen. So every one of us, we have 1 or 2 or 3 out of them. So just listen, and for you to know which one is yours and which one you say, okay, this is not mine, this is mine. And I know you may be asking yourself, as in you are telling yourself, our teacher too, we should not tell us our own love language. Don't worry, just when you watch this video to the end, I will tell you people my love language. So sit down and relax and listen. So the first one we're talking about today is receiving gifts. Receiving gifts. That means if you are in love with somebody or someone is in love with you, when they give you gifts, you believe the person loves you. Ìyẹn ni pé tí ìwà àtẹnìyàn kan bá wà tí ẹ fẹ́ràn ara yín, tí wọ́n bá ti fún wọn ní ẹ̀bùn ni wàá mọ̀ pé wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. Ìyẹn ni pé when the person gives you gift, whether small or big, it's not compulsory the gift is small. It's not compulsory the gift is big. I mean, or the person can come with something small, but that thing is a gift to you. You like it. You know that okay, this person loves me. Ìyẹn ni pé tí ẹnìyẹn lè mú ẹ̀bùn kékeré wá, ó lè mú ẹ̀bùn tó tóbi wá. Kò jẹ́ dandan pé ẹ̀bùn náà tóbi, ṣùgbọ́n tí ó bá ṣáà ti jẹ́ pé ó fún ọ lẹ́bùn, ìwọ á wá wò pé ẹni yìí nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ló fi fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn yìí. Receiving gift, gbígba ẹ̀bùn. Tí wọ́n bá ti fún ọ ní ẹ̀bùn, ìyẹn ni pé ẹni tí o nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí tó bá ti fún ọ ní ẹ̀bùn, ìyẹn ni pé ẹni náà nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ. That means the person that you are in love with, your lover, if the person gives you gifts, the person give you gifts, you'll be like, okay, this person loves me, that's why he's giving me gifts. If they not give you gifts in a relationship, you'll be like, this person does not love me. Ìyẹn ni pé tí o bá wà nínú ìwà àtẹnìyàn kan fẹ́ra yín, àbí tí ẹ fẹ́ràn ara yín, tí ẹ ń fẹ́ra yín, tí wọn ò bá fún ọ ní ẹ̀bùn, wọ́n máa rò pé ẹni yóò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni ò ṣe fún mi lẹ́bùn o. Tí wọ́n bá fún ọ ní ẹ̀bùn, inú ẹ máa dùn. Wọ́n bá fún ẹ lẹ́bùn, inú ẹ máa dùn. Ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tí wọ́n bá ti fún ẹ lẹ́bùn, a máa dàbí pé ẹni yóò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni ò ṣe fún mi lẹ́bùn. So do we get now? Ṣé ó yé wa? Ìyẹn ni pé ẹni tí o nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí tó bá ń fún ẹ lẹ́bùn ni wàá máa fi wò pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Ṣùgbọ́n tí ò bá ń fún ẹ ní ẹ̀bùn, a máa dàbí pé ṣé ẹni yóò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni ò ṣe fún mi lẹ́bùn. Wàá máa wò pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ló ṣe fún mi lẹ́bùn o. Ìyẹn ni pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. That means this person loves me. If the person give you gifts, you'll be like, this person loves me. And if the person is not giving you gifts, you'll be like, this person is not in love with me. Why is he not giving me anything? Is he not in love with me? Something like that. So do we get? Show you are. So we'll be going to the next one, which is quality time. Lílo àsìkò pẹ̀lú ẹni tí o fẹ́ràn. Ìyẹn ni pé kó o máa lo àsìkò pẹ̀lú ẹni tí o fẹ́ràn. That's quality time. Ẹni tí ó jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ yìí, ìyẹn ni pé ó fẹ́ràn kí olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ máa lo àsìkò pẹ̀lú òun. That means you like it when the person you love use quality time with you. You'll be like, this person loved me, to have forgone everything that he has to do, to have even come to your side, to come and greet you or to come and spend time with you. You'll be like, this person loves me, that's why he's staying with me. Ìyẹn ni pé ó máa fẹ́ràn kí àwọn olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ àbí kí àwọn olólùfẹ́ wa kí wọ́n máa lo àsìkò pẹ̀lú wa. Ìyẹn ni pé ó nífẹ̀ẹ́ kí àwọn olólùfẹ́ máa lo àsìkò pẹ̀lú rẹ̀. Ìyẹn ni pé ẹni tí ó fẹ́ràn ó máa lo àsìkò tó péye pẹ̀lú ẹ. Tí ó bá lo àsìkò pẹ̀lú ẹ, máa wò pé ṣó fẹ́ràn mi ṣá. 3, act of service. ìyẹn ni pé ẹni yìí fẹ́ràn kí wọ́n máa bá òun ṣe nǹkan, kí wọ́n máa ṣe nǹkan fún wọn, wọ́n nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ gidi gan. When you do something for them, they believe you love them. ìyẹn ni pé tó o bá ṣe nǹkan fún wọn, àní wọ́n gbà pé ẹni yìí fẹ́ràn mi. Bóyá wọ́n wà nínú ilé, ó yẹ kán fọbọ́, ó yẹ kán gbálẹ̀, wọ́n ń gbálẹ̀ lọ́wọ́, wá wò pé jẹ́ kí n bá fọbọ́. Like when you are doing things for them, they believe you love them. ìyẹn ni pé a máa wò pé tó bá ń bá òun ṣe nǹkan ló nífẹ̀ẹ́ òun, tó bá ń ṣe nǹkan tó ràn án lọ́wọ́, a máa wò pé ẹni yìí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. When she's doing something and you are not helping, she will be like, this person did not love me. But when she's doing something and you are helping her with it, she will be like, he loves me, or she loves me. So when this person is doing something, they believe you should render help. ìyẹn ni pé tí o bá fẹ́ràn irú ẹni báyìí, wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé ó yẹ kí o máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n fẹ́ràn kí àwọn èèyàn máa ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. ìyẹn ni kó máa ṣe nǹkan fún wọn. Tí ẹni tí wọ́n bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí tí ò bá ṣe nǹkan fún wọn, wọ́n máa wò ó pé ṣé kò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni? Bóyá ó ń gbálẹ̀, ó fẹ́ fọbọ́, ó ní kó lọ máa gbálẹ̀ kí wọ́n máa bá fọbọ́. Maybe he's trying to clean the floor and mop the floor and wash the plates, and you are there, you'll be like, okay, let me help you to wash the plates, and you be mopping the floor. She will be like, this person loves me. Bóyá ó fẹ́ dáná, ìwọ náà dúró tì í. Bóyá òun bá tójọ́ ni àbò kan ń ràn án lọ́wọ́. Maybe the person is cooking and you are just helping out. You are helping the person. The person will be like, this person loves me. But if you are not helping them and you are not doing anything for them, they will believe you don't love them. ìyẹn ni pé tó bá dúró tì wọ́n, wọ́n máa wò pé ó fẹ́ràn mi. Àbí tó bá ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ láti ṣe nǹkan, wọ́n máa wò pé ó fẹ́ràn mi. Ìkẹrin, that's number 4. Words of affirmation. ìyẹn ni pé kí o máa sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó. If you're in a relationship with this person and you're not telling the person how you love them, how beautiful they are, they will be like, this person did not love me. ẹni yóò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, kò sọ fún mi bóun ṣe fẹ́ràn mi sí. ìyẹn ni pé tó bá wà nínú ìfẹ́ tí ìwọ àti ènìyàn bá ń fẹ́ràn ara yín tàbí tí ẹ fẹ́ra yín, tí o bá sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ rẹ̀ tó, nínú rẹ̀ ò ní dùn. wọn máa wò bóyá kí ló dé, ṣẹ́ni yìí ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ni. ìyẹn ni pé tó bá nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn, wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé ó yẹ kí o ṣe kí ni o, kí o sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó, kí o sọ fún wọn. Wọ́n fẹ́ràn kí o sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó. Bóyá wọ́n wọṣọ tó dára, aṣọ rẹ̀ yìí dára o. Bóyá wọ́n wé gèlè wọn dáadáa, gèlè yìí dáa o. Bóyá ojú wọn rí rètèrètè, ojú rẹ̀ rí rètèrètè. Tí ó bá wà níbi tó jìn tí wọ́n ò dẹ̀ síbẹ̀, kí o máa sọ fún pé ọkàn mi ń fà ẹ́ o, mo fẹ́ rí ẹ o, bí ẹni pé kí n ti rí ẹ ló ń ṣe mí. Gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ wọ̀nyí, that means you will be telling the person how pretty, how beautiful they are, or how handsome they are, what they are doing. You are giving them words of encouragement. Ohun tó ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn ó ṣe dáradára. Ohun tó ṣe yìí ó dára. Túbọ̀ ṣe sí, túbọ̀ ṣe. ìyẹn ni pé when you give them words of encouragement, you tell them how you love them, you tell them how beautiful they are and all that, they will believe you love them. ìyẹn ni pé kí o máa sọ bí wọ́n ṣe dára tó, kí o máa sọ àwọn nǹkan tí wọ́n ṣe bí ó ṣe dára sí, kí o máa sọ fún wọn. Kí o máa sọ àwọn ibi tó yẹ kán tún ti ṣe sí, àbí àwọn ibi tí àwọn kùdìẹ̀kudiẹ tó wà àti ibi tó yẹ kán tún lọ sókè sí, kán tún ṣe. Inú wọn máa dùn. Like they will be happy and they will know you love them. But if you don't tell them how much you love them, you're not giving them words of encouragement, they'll be like, this person did not love me. ìyẹn ni pé tí o bá sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ wọn tó, tí o sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó dára sí wọn, àwọn bọ́n ṣe ń ṣe tó dára, tí o sọ fún wọn, wọ́n máa wò pé ẹni yìí kò fẹ́ràn mi o, kò fẹ́ràn mi. So the 5th and the last one, ìkarùn àti ìkẹyìn, lóye tí ó kẹyìn, is touch. ìyẹn ni pé kí o máa fọwọ́ kan ẹni tí o fẹ́ràn. ìyẹn ni pé fífọwọ́ kan, kí o máa fọwọ́ kan wọn. Bóyá òun bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ni òun fọwọ́ kan wọn. Báwo lára ẹ, ṣó wà, ojú ẹ máa rí rètèrètè, orun ẹ bó ṣe rẹwà. Like they just like it when their lover touch them. ìyẹn ni pé wọ́n fẹ́ràn kí àwọn olólùfẹ́ wọn máa fọwọ́ kàn wọn. Wọ́n fẹ́ràn ẹ̀ gidi. Tí o bá fọwọ́ kàn wọn, you do not touch them, when you are not touching them in a relationship, they believe you are not in love with them. So when you are not touching them, they believe you are not in love with them. Wọ́n máa rí pé kò fẹ́ràn mi ni ò ṣe fọwọ́ kàn mí o. Tó bá ti ń fọwọ́ kàn wọ́n, wọ́n máa gbàgbọ́ pé ẹni yìí nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. This one will be very difficult for people that their lover, the person, the significant other is not where they are. So most of them, they don't have that love language. They don't have that, because when the person is not touching this person, she will not be happy or you will not be happy. So maybe your lover or your husband is not where you are, maybe outside the country or in the country, not in the same state. It will not work out like that. It will not work out. But most of them, this love language is not part of their own, so they don't have this one, because this person will like it when the person is touching. Ẹni yìí máa fẹ́ràn kí o máa fọwọ́ kàn, kí olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ máa fọwọ́ kàn. Tí olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ bá wà lókè òkun, kò ní fi bẹ́ẹ̀ dára, kò ní dára tó fún un, kò ní inú rẹ̀ kan ò ní dùn. Even the relationship might not work out. So tí ẹni náà, when the lover is not where she is, the relationship might not work out, because our love language is for the person, the lover, to be touching. Ìyẹn ni pé tí ẹni tí ó ń fẹ́ ò bá sí ní tòsí, tí ò sí níbi, tí olólùfẹ́ rẹ̀ ò bá sí níbẹ̀, wọn ò ní ṣe àṣeyọrí nínú ohun tí wọ́n ń ṣe, nínú ìfẹ́ wọn. Kò ní sí àṣeyọrí nínú ìfẹ́ wọn, torí pé ó fẹ́ràn kí ó máa fọwọ́ kàn wọ́n. And this touch is not like sex, no, it's not, kì í ṣe ìbálòpọ̀ rárá, but the touching, just to touch someone softly. This touch is not sex, so it's not about, kì í ṣe ìbálòpọ̀ rárá, but just to touch softly, just when you are talking to the person, just to hold the person's hand. I told you at the beginning of this class that will let you know my love language. So mine is receiving gifts. That means gbígba ẹ̀bùn, ẹni pé kò jẹ́ dandan kó tóbi, ó lè má jẹ́ kó kéré, ó dẹ̀ lè má tóbi, ó dẹ̀ lè tóbi, ó dẹ̀ lè kéré. So just giving me gifts, ìyẹn ni pé gbígba ẹ̀bùn ní ti tèmi, kí o fún mi ní ẹ̀bùn. That's my first one, ìyẹn ni ìkíní. I told us we can have more than one, more than two out of the love language. Nínú àwọn èdè ìfẹ́ yẹn, o lè ní ju ẹyọ kan, o lè lẹ́yọ kan, o lè ní méjì, o lè ní mẹ́ta. Ìkejì ni act of service, ìyẹn ni pé tí o bá ń bá mi ṣe nǹkan, mo máa wò pé ẹni yìí nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. Tó bá fún mi lẹ́bùn, máa ní ẹni yìí nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi ló jẹ́ kó máa fún mi lẹ́bùn. Tó bá ràn mí lọ́wọ́ tó ń bá mi ṣe nǹkan, máa wò ẹni yìí going out of your way to help me do some things. Bí òun bá mi ṣe àwọn nǹkan kan, máa wò pé ẹni yìí nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi. And words of affirmation too, bí a máa sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi tó, kí o máa sọ bí o ṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi tó. Words of affirmation, ìyẹn náà tún wà ńbẹ̀. So thank you for watching this episode, and for me to know you watched the full video, you have to comment, tell me your own love language in the comment section. You have to tell us your love language. That's the assignment. So now we'll be giving ourselves assignments, because I cannot be teaching and you not do assignments. So I'm giving you the assignment. The assignment is, tell us your love language. You put it in the comment section, and I would like to know, I'd like to see it. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for staying tuned. I really appreciate for listening. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share.